A Heroes Acre buried ceremony held yesterday has raised eyebrows as the event showcased a significant shift in tone, with a heavy military presence dominating the proceedings and conspicuous absence of the widely circulated 2030 political slogans often tied to President Idi Mnangagwa's re-election ambitions. Sanabna mashoko vanhu voti aiwa padebhero rava kune zviro vipi vanga vakamomoterwa aiwa nemasoja nemasecurity akanga ari very tense. Sanabna mashoko ari kudanyikwa pana upload subscribe or like on the bell kuti ipina kudanyira chiti videos to the event revealed a sea of army personnel filling the stands, presenting a powerful and disciplined display. This visual contrast emphasized the absence of traditional partisan chants, including the controversial 2030 Anika Chipo slogan. Many analysts view this as a symbolic moment, underscoring the growing presence of military in political narratives amid factional tensions in Zimbabwe. Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, often seen as a key figure in ongoing factional struggle, attended the ceremony and focused his speech on themes of unity and national healing. Social media commentators quickly noticed the unusual shift. Popular Twitter user Awalin M posted, "Dear Barakaji, did the general chant your slogan you could that Angastonga? Yes or no? Answer me." The rhetorical question amplified online chatter about the general's resistance to partisan endorsement. Ndo mashoko anobuda panapa unotaura chiti aiwa zvinhu zvaiitwa nageneral yesterday zvinonzoratidza kuti aiwa anoita zvinhu zviri machuwa zvinorespekta vanhu vakanga vachilewa onto the ground. Panapa vanotaura mashoko achiti aiwa nevakomana vari kuzikanwa nemaslogan vakanga vasipo. Kuonekwa kwakaita tichiona masoja aripo kwanyasa kusymbolize respect yakapiwa. Aiwa, these heroes vailewa vantu vaichengeta vantu vaivigiwa muzuva ranezuro paheroes eka. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.